Okay children, so now we are going to learn additions. What is that? Addition. Two digit addition. What is that, Nana? Two digit addition. So have to come workbook page number 20. Workbook page number 20. See here, Nana, this book, workbook page number 20. Okay now, so add the following two digit numbers. Add the following two digit number. ఏంటిది? ఫస్ట్ మనం I told you in previous class, I mean first class, additions గురించి చెప్పాను. Additions ఎలా చేయాలో చెప్పాను మీకు. So now you are second class children. Okay Nana? Are you understand? Additions గురించి చెప్పాను కదా మీకు. So what is the addition? Number to number adding. What is that addition? Number to number adding. Okay children? చెప్పాను కదా. So next, what is the symbol of addition? What is the symbol of addition? Plus. What is the symbol of addition? Plus. Okay na? So now we are going two digit addition. 10 plus 12. What is that? 10 plus 12. Okay children? 10 place, 1 place. Okay now? So you have to always, which place you have to count? 1's place. ఏ ప్లేస్ లో నుంచి ఫస్ట్ మనం కౌంట్ చేసుకోవాలి? 1's ప్లేస్ లోనే. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఎప్పుడు మనము 1's దగ్గర నుంచే స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? 1's ప్లేస్ లో how many numbers are there? In 1's place 0, 2. 0 plus 2. Okay na children? So 0 0, 2. So 0 plus 2. 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. 0 అంటేనే ఏం లేదు కదా. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏముంది? 2. 0 plus 2 2నే. ఓకేనా? ఏం నంబర్ లేదు కదా 1's లో. ఓన్లీ 2 నంబర్ ఆర్ దేర్. సో యు హావ్ టు రైట్ నంబర్ 2. 2. ఓకేనా children? And next, 1's place are completed. Then which place? You have to go 10's place. Okay children? So 1 plus 1. 1, 1. What is the answer? 2. What is the answer? 2. How to write? 2. Okay children? So come next. 23 plus 24. 23 plus 24. 10's, 1's. Okay children? So ఏ ప్లేస్ లో ఉండేదాన్ని మనం ఫస్ట్ యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి? 1's ప్లేస్ లో ఉండేదాన్ని మనము యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో 1's ప్లేస్ లో ఏమేమి నంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 3 plus 4. Okay? You have to do 1's place. Okay children? Have to count 1's place. So first of all, number 3 is keep in your mind. Where you have to keep? In your mind. Number 3 is keep in your mind. is that? 23 plus 24 is equal 47. Okay children? Come next. 45 plus 54. 45 plus 54. Okay Nana? 45 plus 54. So, first of all, which place you have to count? Ones place. Okay na? Tens place lo count chestarante inga problem e mottam wrong ayipotundi. Okay na? First ekkadi nunchi count chesukovali ones place ninti. So, how many numbers are in ones place? 5 plus 4. Okay children? 5 plus 4. So, number 5 is where you have to keep. Number 5 is you keep in your mind. Number 5 is you keep in your mind. మీ mind లో పెట్టుకోవాలి కదా. So next, then show me 4 fingers. Show me 4 fingers. 5 after number, what is the after number 5? 6. How to count? 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4 is equal 9. How to write 9? Okay. ఎక్కడ రాస్తారు? వన్స్ ప్లేస్ లోనే రాయాలి. టెన్స్ ప్లేస్ లో రాస్తే రాంగ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? సో దెన్ రిమైనింగ్ విచ్ ప్లేస్ ఆర్ దేర్? టెన్స్. సో హౌ మెనీ నంబర్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్ టెన్స్ ప్లేస్? 4 plus 5. Okay children? 4 plus 5. Number 4 is where you have to keep. Number 4 is keep in your mind. Okay. So then show me 5 fingers. Show me 5 fingers. 4 after what is the number? 4 after what is the number? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to also count, Nana. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 5 is equal 9. 5 plus 4 is equal 9. So listen, 45 plus 54 is equal 99, and then 54 plus 45 also 99. Okay children? Say sir no? Okay. Come next. 60 plus 23. 60 60 plus 23. Okay children? Alright. 60 plus 23. How many places are there? 2. 1s, 10s. Okay children? Now we have to count in ones place. So 0 plus 3 is equal, what is the answer? 0 means nothing. 0 అంటే ఏం లేదు కాబట్టి సో అక్కడ ఉన్న నంబర్ ఏంటిది? ఓన్లీ 3. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ నంబర్ 3. And next, which place? 10th place. So 6 plus 2. 6 నంబర్ ఎక్కడ పెట్టుకుంటారు? మీ మైండ్ లో పెట్టుకోండి. ఓకేనా? Then after, put show me 2 fingers. 6 after 7, 8. Okay children? 7, 8. 60 plus 23 is equal 83. What is the answer? 83. Then 24 plus 30. First of all, ones place lo unnadi start chesukovali kada nana. 4 plus 5. What is the answer? Number 4 is keep in your mind. Then after show me 5 fingers. 4 after you have to count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the answer? Number 9. And then 2 plus 3. Okay children? 2 plus 3. So 2 number is in your mind. So next 3 fingers. 3, 4, 5. You have to write number 5. 24 plus 35 is equal 59. The answer is 59. So come down. Add the 2-digit numbers by carrying. What is that, Nana? Add the 2-digit numbers by carrying. Okay, children? Add the 2-digit numbers by carrying. Listen. Take your book, workbook page number. See here and this one I'll explain. Okay. 14 plus 18. What is that? 14 plus 18. 14 plus 18. Tens, ones. So number 4 is keep in your mind. Then after show me 8 fingers. 4 plus 8. After 4 after you have to count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What is the answer? 12. Listen. 12 వచ్చింది కదా నాన్న. ఈ 12 4 plus 8 is equal 12. How many places are there in 12? 2 places. 2 places ఉన్నాయి కదా ఈ 12 లో కూడా. సో మనం ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఏ ప్లేస్ నుంచి కౌంట్ చేసాము? వన్స్ ప్లేస్ లో కౌంట్ చేసాము. సో ఇక్కడ వన్స్ ప్లేస్ ఏముంది? 1 ఉందా 2 ఉందా? సో 2 is ones place. So you have to go ones place, have to write number 2. Okay? Ones place లో నేను నేరుగా తీసుకెళ్ళి ones place లో పెట్టేశాను కదా. నెక్స్ట్ ఇప్పుడు ఏముంది? tens place లో ఉంది. What is the number? Number 1. So have to write number 1 up. Have to write carry nana. So దాన్ని పైన పెట్టేసుకోండి. ఎక్కడ పెట్టుకోవాలి? వన్స్ ప్లేస్ లో కాదు, టెన్స్ ప్లేస్ లో పెట్టాలి. ఓకేనా? సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇప్పుడు చూడండి. దెన్ యూ హావ్ టు కౌంట్ టెన్స్ ప్లేస్. 1 plus 1. 1 1. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్? 2. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకోటి మనం పైన రాసాం కదా. సో దట్ నంబర్ ఆల్సో యూ హావ్ టు కౌంట్. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 3. 2 plus 1 3. Number 14 plus 18 is equal 32. What is the answer? 32. So come next. 34 plus 16. 34 plus 16. Okay children? Next 4. Number 4 is keep in your mind as it is same rule. 4 plus 6. What is the answer? 10. So 10 kada. Ones place ఏముంది? 0. So So you have to write 0 in ones place. Okay. Then after 1 in tens place you have to write up in tens. Okay. So next, have to count in tens place. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Okay now? Okay children? Next. 87 plus 14. What is that? 87 plus 14. What is that? 87 plus 14. So 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. So ones place you have to write in ones place number 1. And then tens place 1 you have to write up. Next, tens place you have to count. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. What is the answer? 87 plus 14 is equal 101. What is that? 101. Okay, Nana, are you understand? Okay. Come next. 37 plus 23. What is that? 37 plus 23. Thirty-seven plus 23. Okay children, ones place lo nunchi start cheyali. 7 plus 3, 10. How to write second number in ones place? How to write first number in tens place? You have to write 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 37 plus 23 is equal. What is the answer? 60. You come next. 18 plus 75. What is that? 18 plus 75. 18 plus 75. So 8 plus 5 is equal 13. Second place, ones lo undadani తీసుకొని ones లో పెట్టండి. Next tens లో undadani you have to write up in tens. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. Okay. 18 plus 75 is equal 93. Okay children. Okay. Come down. Okay. 34 plus 23 plus 25. 34 plus 23 plus 25. Okay children? 10 1. Same way Nana. Okay na? Okay 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So 34 plus 23 plus 25 is equal 82. What is the answer? 82. Come next. 67 plus 56. 67 plus 56 plus 34. 34. Okay, children? 7 plus 6, 13. What is that? 7 plus 6, 13. And then 13 plus 4, 17. Number 17. So 7 right here. 1 you have to write up. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. Okay, children? 67 plus 56. 56 plus 34. The answer is 157. Okay, Nana? Come next. 44 plus 43 plus 24. Okay, children? Okay? Now, your slot will start which place? Ones place. 4 plus 3. What is the answer? 4 plus 3? 7. ఇక్కడికి స్టాప్ అయిపోయింది అనుకోకూడదు. మళ్ళీ ఇంకా కింద నంబర్ ఉంది కదా, వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ ని మళ్ళీ దీన్ని కూడా యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. 4 plus 3 is equal 7. So 7 plus 4, 11. What is that? 11. So ones place ఏముంది? 1 కదా, right here. And tens place 1 you have to write up. So next 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So the answer is 111. So 44 plus 43 plus 24 is equal 111. So 111, the spelling of number O-N-E-1, 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. And you have to say and. Okay? A-N-D and 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 111. Okay, children? Come next. Plus 24, 68 plus 24 plus 35. Okay, children? Plus 24 plus 35. So 1 plus 1 is first మనం start చేసుకోవాలి కదా. 8 plus 4, what is the answer? 12. 12 ని మళ్ళీ ఆ 12 కి 5 ని యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి కదా. 12 plus 5, 17. What is that? 17. R-E-D, 100, and A-N-D, and live, and 27, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 27, S-E-V-E-N. Okay children, 27. So come last, 96 plus 22 plus 34. So 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 8 plus 4, 12. Number 2 right here and 1 right here. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. And then you have to write number 1. Add number 1. 14 plus 1, 15. Okay children? 96 plus 22 plus 33. The answer is 152. What is that? 152. So the spelling of number in 152, O-N-E 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100, and A-N-D and 52, F-I-F-T-Y 52, T-W-O-2. Okay children? Are you understood in 2-digit addition? Okay? After class completed, you have to take slate. Slate bit also you have to take. Any number you have to write and do the practice in addition. 2-digit addition. Okay children? Okay. Next. Tens place, ones place ఉంటుంది కదా, 2 places ఉన్నాయి కదా.